It happens frequently that some weld seams are not repeatable. This can be caused by poor incoming quality of parts, inaccurate tack welding of certain components, the fixture does not properly locate all the parts, heat distortion while welding. It's not always possible to rectify these problems in a cost-effective manner. For the robot to weld these seams, which are out of tolerance, Wolf Robotics equips the robot with tactile sensing capabilities. This is accomplished by applying a safe voltage either to the gas nozzle of the welding torch or to the welding wire. Based on the type of weld joint that requires tactile searching, it's possible to use either the gas nozzle or the welding wire. When searching fillet welds, the welding torch gas nozzle is the preferred search tool. Weld seams that are normally out of alignment determine if the searches have to be applied in either 1, 2, or 3 dimensions. If both the start and end points have moved, the robot will first search the correct weld in position, store that location in memory, and thereafter search the start point of the weld. The robot will now move from the correct start position to the stored in position. When searching V-grooves, the welding wire is the preferred search tool. It's important that the wire is cut to a specific length prior to searching. Since the robot does not know the exact location of the V-groove, it must go through a series of specific search routines to find the seam. The robot will start searching off to the side of the weld seam and repeat the search until it finds the cavity of the V-groove. The robot will now move from one side of the V-groove to the other to establish the center location. If the weld seam has slightly shifted, then the weld end location must be first searched and stored in the robot memory. When the weld start location has been found, the robot will start to weld and move towards the previously stored end location. When through-the-arc tracking is used, only the start location has to be searched. The robot can also search multiple locations and store them in memory as required. The robot then welds the stored locations as determined by the programmer. The Wolf Robotics Tactile seam finding functionality is an efficient and affordable way to accommodate for potential seam location inaccuracies. Wolf Robotics. Listen, dream, solve.